Good morning, children. Let me take a new lesson in science that belongs to biology. That is lesson number 20, reaching the age of adolescence. So, human beings have many stages from the infancy till old. Infancy means that is childhood. As soon as the newborn baby born, that is known as what? Infancy. Then after that we are coming to the age by one. Adolescence, it is teenage. This is between 11 to 19. Adolescence ages 11 to 19, 11 years to 19 years. Within that, what are the changes happen in our body? Either we are male or female, whoever may be, we have many changes externally as well as internally. Thus, this lesson says, what are the characteristics, what are the primary organs and secondary organs develop in the human beings, then how it will be useful to them for the further process. Everything will be we have to study in the detail. In the meantime, government has reduced some portions. That is, they are not reducing the entire lesson, they are minimizing the lesson. Instead of learning such a big one, they are minimizing the lesson. As per the lesson, I have to take, as per the syllabus, I have to take only 20.1, 20.11, 12, 20.2, 20.21, 20.22, 20.7 and 20.8. So, based on that one, I am going to take lesson. Don't think that Miss is skipping out the portions that are omitted by the government. Clear, children? So, we have to go for the lessons. What is adolescence? Adolescence, I said already, that's the age of 11 to 9. In this age, we have some changes. We have to see what are the characteristics on the male, then what are the characteristics female, how they differ. Okay? Then how we have to keep ourselves hygienic. Hygienic means what? Making of ourselves pure. Away from the dirts, everything. This is hygienic. Only thing we have to learn these things only. So whatever possible, I will explain. Other things we will explain in person. Okay, children? Let us take the book, page number 230. Adolescence and puberty. The term adolescence derived from the Latin word adolescere mean to grow. That is grow of maturity. Adolescence, that is the age of 11 to 9, grow of maturity. Actually, this is the age of 11 to 13 only. Okay, that differ from male as well as female. Male 11 to 13, female 11 to 13 and male 13 to 15 something we'll see now. First we have to say adolescence, I said already, adolescence, that is the grow of maturity. From the childhood we are entering into the new stage. That stage is known as what? Adolescence. We got changes in our height, weight, organs, muscles, mass and everything. Even the brain structure also developed. So puberty, it is the period of few years in which rapid physical, psychophysiological and psychological changes occur resulting in sexual maturity. So next to adolescence we have to say, what is puberty? It is not the term only for the girls or female. It is the term for all. Puberty means we are attaining maturity. That is the age of that we got psychologically, physically, and our body has changed. Even our mental, psychologically means what? Mentally we have developed, physically we have developed. That is known as what? Puberty. So here, underline what is puberty. It is the period of few years in which rapid physical, physiological and psychological changes occur resulting in sexual maturity. So we can predict the sequence of the physical changes that will take place, but the age of beginning of puberty varies from individual to individual. Generally, the scientists are designing some age, that is 10 to 11 for the girls and 12 to 13 for boys. Puberty, that is 10 to 11, this is girls, and 12 to 13 boys. These years they got changes in their body. These changes only, then they develop psychologically as well as physically. So these changes is known as what? Adolescence and puberty. Everything else, because hormones, why this changes suddenly happens in our body? Because hormones which are present in our body. Hormones that is secreting from our endocrine glands. That is endocrine glands we'll study in the higher classes later on. Endocrine gland, they are secreting the hormones. These hormones, some of the hormones are common for both boys and girls. Some of the hormones are different according to the sex, that is either male or female. So after that age, that is 10 to 11, or sometimes it's 10 to 19 years also, the puberty age maybe. Then 12 to 13 for the boys, they have the changes. Then what are the changes? How our body developed according to that, we'll see in detail. So body changes at puberty. 4 important changes that occur during the puberty transform the body of a child into the adult. From the child, we are coming to the stage of adult. What are the 4 changes? Changes in body size. That is, from the childhood, we are developed somewhat. Changes in body proportion. Proportion means what? Before the childhood, now our body is developed proportion. Development of primary 6 characteristics. I said already, male differ from female. Developing of the primary 6 characteristics. Development of secondary 6 characteristics. So primary can be exhibited out, secondary inner. So let us see what are the changes happened during the puberty size. Body size. Change in body size. Next one, body proportion. And third one is primary 6 organs for male and female. Then secondary 6 organs. Okay, these are the 4 stages developed during the puberty. That age may be 10 to 13. Sometimes, rarely, for some people it will take even 15, 16, even 19. 19 we can say that is puberty. Clear? First, in the change in the body size. The first changes, we will see everything in the detail. It usually begins at the age of 10 to 12. It is almost complete around the age of 17. Even though it started 10 to 11, it completes in the age of what? 17 years only. 17 to 19. 17 to 19, the changes for the girls. Boys 19 to 20. In the meantime, they got maturity. The entire development, the body development can be occurred within these ages. During adolescence, both boys and girls are around 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter in the height. That period they will be increasing. So normal height, how many centimeters they will be increasing? Girls 23 centimeter, boys 26 centimeter. In addition to height, they also experience significant increase in weight. They are not only growing tall, even they are growing in the size also. They gain height and weight. But increase in the weight influenced by various factors like diet, exercise and lifestyle. It does not, that weight, no, it does not come gradually by itself. We have to do some exercises according to our lifestyle, taking of consuming the food. Because of that only they have the changes. So what is the first growth of the puberty means? That is adolescence. They grow tall and they become weight. The average weight gain during the period is 17 kgs to 19 kgs. From the childhood, maybe 12 or 13, they will be, their weight may be or 20 kuda irkalam. Then after that, this age, they gain the weight of 17 to 19 kgs they have developed. They grow tall. How many centimeter I said? 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter they have become tall. And they gain the weight of 17 kgs to 19 kgs. So their height and weight is differ. And changes in the body proportion, I said, they grow big. This can be seen in the feet and hands. Their organs and all developed into long. Avangaloda height, legs, everything become tall. During childhood, legs grow improportionately more than the trunk. Trunk means what? Neck. But at the time of puberty, trunk also lengthens. Even the neck and all the parts, hands, legs, everything can be taller. Also, trunk broadens at the hip of the hip and the shoulder, thus giving the adult proportion to the body. Hips and all develop, so it seems like a matured person. Then primary 6 characters. That is, in the boys we can see testis, female ovary, okay, yeah, that is uterus, everything. There is 6 organs are different from that. For the girls, it is what I say, uterus. This is for girls. Boys, testes. Uterus, ovaries. These are the organ present in the primary 6 organ present in female. This is in male. And secondary 6 characteristics we have to see. For the male, what I say testis. Secondary 6 character, what are the things? Secondary 6 characters are the physical features which distinguish male and female. After the progression of puberty, boys and girls become dissimilar in appearance. The secondary 6 characters are regulated by the hormones. The testosterone or androgen secreted by the testes of males. Male organ, male hormone. What are the male sex hormone? Testosterone and estrogen. Estrogen for male, female. Androgen. This is the hormone present in man, and female estrogen. This is secreted by female. Okay, estrogen. Totally how many hormones? Even other hormone, 3 hormones secreted in human beings. The female, that is estrogen, progesterone, and relaxation one hormone. 3 hormones will be there, but he has given only 1 hormone. So boys have male have 2 hormones, testosterone and androgen. They produce from the testes, and estrogen is produced from the ovaries. Androgen cause growth in the larynx, muscle development, skeletal size and distribution of body and pubic hair and stimulation of sweat glands, everything will be. Estrogen and progesterone are female sex hormone. Progesterone, I said no already. Estrogen and progesterone, they are female sex hormones. They got developed in estrogen stimulates the development of breast, external genitalia, pubic and axillary hairs and the distribution of body fat. Weight. Secondary 6 characters in boys. What are the things extra they present? Hair, skin, glands, muscle, voice. Hair. Immediately after the development of primary 6 character, pubic hair appears in male. Skin becomes coarse and pores in the skin enlarge. The skin becomes coarse. Coarse means what? Dadipa, sorapa, like that it will be. Glands. The oil producing glands in the skin enlarge and due to this, acne may appear on the faces. That paru we are saying, no, that paru we are saying actually that is pimples, acne. The acne developed in the age of 11 to, for boys 12 to 13. Girls, what I said, 10 to 11. We know that is a stage of maturity. On seeing the thing, we can say major. Muscles. The strength of the muscle increases and it gives the shape to arms, legs and shoulders. Voice become what? Mature. During this period, voice changes out and the voice become husky. Then its pitch drops and volume increases. Male voice it is. Increased voice. So what are the secondary characters of male? That is, we'll see. Hair, skin, glands, muscle, and then what? Voice. These changes we can see in male. And female, we'll see afterwards. Secondly, that is hip. Hip, you know what is hip? It will be developed. Okay. Hip is developed due to enlargement of the pelvic bone. Pelvic means what? And the iduppu elumbunu solrom paranga adu. Pelvic bone and the development of subcutaneous fat, the hip becomes wider and rounder, broad it will be. After the enlargement hip, the breast begin to develop during this time. Hair, pubic hair appears. Muscles, increase in the muscles takes place which gives the shape to shoulder, arms and legs. Voice becomes shrill and voice breaks are rare among girls. That is, the voice becomes somewhat sweeter, shrill voice. The skin become coarser, oil producing glands become active and causing acne on the face. These are the same characteristics of male and female. What are the things present in that? Hips, breast, hair, muscles, and then what? Voice, skin, glands, okay, these are the differences. Now girls and boys, how they differ? Height and weight increase. Here also what? Height and weight increase. Fatty and subcutaneous tissues develop. Your muscles only develop. Hip broadens. Shoulder broadens. Hair grows in armpits and pubic area. Hair grows in armpits and pubic area. And facial hair also appears. For the boys, they got the mush and beard. Voice becomes still. Voice big and takes place due to lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Breast develops, size of penis increases. So other things and all omitted, children. So we have to go for personal hygiene of adolescence. 20.7 nutritional needs. So we have seen in the lesson now what is puberty, that is attaining the group, and what are the ages of the puberty between girls and boys. Girls 10 to 11, boys 12 to 13. Though it starts 10 to 11, it completes in the age of before 19. The girls, boys, from 12 years it started and completed in the age of 20. So what are the changes occur in our body? Body size, proportion, primary sex organ develop, then secondary sex organs develop. Then the development size, during the puberty stage, the boys, whoever maybe they grow, the length, the tallness may be increased, that is 23 to 26 centimeter height they will be increased. And weight may be gained, weight may be 17 to 19. From the childhood it will be different. குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது weight கம்மியாக இருப்பீங்க. After you have become pubert, your thing will be developed. Then what are the primary sex organ? For the male testis, female what is it? Uterus and ovaries. And secondary sex characters, a lot of things changes in our body. The pubic hair, other thing and all. But what are the things we can see externally? What are the changes in the male? Hair developed, skin, the full body is legs and all covered by the hair. Skin, glands are present in that. Muscles developed, shoulders and all broadened. Voice is breaking off. It becomes male voice. And female, hip developed, breast, hair, everything. And voice becomes shrill. And what are the differences we have seen already? Male secretes one or two hormones, that is testosterone and androgen. Female, 3 hormones, but in the lesson it is given only estrogen and progesterone. Other than relaxing at the time of childbirth, it will be useful. Then we have to say nutritional needs. Nutritional needs of adolescence. So during that period, that is the puberty period, what are the diets we have to take? This is the age we have to develop our body. Diet with the proper calories and other nutrients needed for the proper growth and physical activity. We have to do the physical exercise also. So balanced diet is important for at the stage of pubic age. What is the balanced diet? All in regular ratio. That is carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, water, vitamin, everything should be in the proper ratio you have taken. That is known as what? Nutritional diet. So what are the things we have taken generally? Rice, dal, milk, fruits, etc. The nutritional deficiency during this period not only retarded the physical growth. Suppose in this period you are skipping out the food, you will not be developed. You are not become height and weight also. Adolescents need the following dietary components. They are minerals, calcium, iodine, iron. Minerals generally we need in the smaller quantity only. Calcium to make our body, bones and teeth strong. Iodine to avoid the thyroid problem. And iron for the hemoglobin and the blood content we have to take. So what are the things present in that we have to take? What are the food items? And one more thing I have to take, I will take afterwards, children. So let me complete the lesson. Okay, thank you.